Hi, my name is Nick Strett. We're down at Concord Auto Spot, and I'm going to show you how to clean aluminum rims. Basically, what you first want to do, and what you've already done, is just give it a basic wash with soap and water. You want to rinse the rim first. You don't really want to use chemicals on it, especially if you are not a professional, because some aluminum rims will be harmed by a harsh chemical, say a wheel acid or whatever you may have. Some don't have the clear coat. The clear coat has gone away and you don't really know. But so you want to rinse it first, and then you take your mitt with soap and water, preferably a different mitt from what you're going to use on your actual vehicle, and you just would run over the rim, the entire rim, get in every nook and cranny as good as you can. You'd rinse it, you'd dry it, and then you'd move on to a metal polish. This particular one you can pick up at any automotive store. It will help clean it a little bit and also polish it and make it look real good. First you want to shake it up, make sure it's all nice and uniform. We've already shook this one up a little bit before, so we don't have to do too much. You put it on the cloth. You don't really have to use too much. A little goes a long way. It's not really coming out, so once you got some on your cloth, work it in your cloth a little bit. And you really want to take area by area so you don't miss anything. And you just go over fast motions, making sure you get everything. And you'll start to see a black residue on the cloth and on the wheel. And that means that it is cleaning it, it is polishing it. And once most of it is gone, and you can see that nothing's really changing, you're going to want to see the black right there. You're going to want to take the other side of the cloth and just wipe it away. You can also take a microfiber towel or whatever you may have, and it'll help really shine it up. You can probably see the difference from here, between here and here. It's really shiny. We didn't even really do it that long, so imagine if you put a little more effort into it, did it a little longer, and you can really make your aluminum wheels look great. Polish them, clean them, pretty much all in one step. And that's really how you just polish and clean your aluminum rims.